Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be getting into a thread repair kit. I've done a previous video on my Matco tap and die set, and today we're going to be going into my Matco thread repair kit. And there is a difference. A lot of people haven't or don't even know about the thread repair kit. They always just use a tap and die set for this. Tap and die set is actually used for creating threads on a shaft or in a hole, whereas a thread repair kit is actually used for, like it says in the name, repairing threads. So a lot of people will just use a tap and die set to repair threads, when in all actuality that is just used for creating threads, where this kit I'm going to review to you today is actually for repairing threads. So if you guys haven't checked it out, go ahead and check it out. I will also have a couple products linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested in kits like this. So let me know your guys' thoughts, and I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys do, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts, or if you've ever used a set like this, or if you just use a tap and die set. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at my thread restoring kit, and most people are going to be more familiar with your standard tap and die set. Here are your taps and there are your dies, and this is actually made for creating threads. Yes, you can restore threads with them, but they're actually designed for creating threads, whereas this set is specifically made for restoring or repairing threads. So this is going to be from Matco, and this is Matco Tango Romeo 51 Kilo, and that is going to be the 51-piece thread restoring tap and die and file kit. This is going to run roughly $140 from Matco, or if you buy it used on eBay or anything like that, it will range anywhere from roughly $70 to $100. And down in the description I will include a couple other brands, such as there might be OEM Tools, Lang, and a couple others that range anywhere from $70 to $110. So that's roughly what these sets are going to run for a pretty decent quality set. So first up, you're going to have this top portion, which is going to just tell you everything that is included in this kit. So you're going to have your coarse, you're going to have your fine, and then you're going to have your metric as well. These are going to be SAE. So starting off, you're going to have up top here a couple, and depending on which kit you order, it might include a third one, or you might have to special order the third one. And basically these are thread repair files. There's a rubber handle on here that slides off, and there are different files on each side of this. And basically what the difference is the thread pitch. And here you can see they're all labeled, and this is made in the USA, as you saw there, Matco. And it's going to include a wide variety of different thread pitches on each side of the file. So really nice to have. This is for, let's say you just have a bolt. This is not going to work for any nuts or anything like that, because you can't thread this in, because each side is a different thread pitch. So basically what you're going to do with this is you're going to take your fastener with the threads that are messed up, and you're going to find the one that matches your thread pitch of your fastener, and then you will file the damaged part of the threads, and it will straighten them back out. So this is a really nice tool to have, and you can actually buy these individually as well if you don't want to buy the entire kit. So other than that, over here are the taps. Just like a tap and die set, these are still called taps and dies. They're just obviously a little bit different design, where your standard taps are going to look like this. Most will be of this tip design, whereas if you're threading into a blind hole, this is at a tapered end, so you can't actually repair the threads or create threads in the bottom of a blind hole. Whereas this is more likely or a little bit more able to get all the way to the bottom of that blind hole as long as it's not too deep, and it does have the same thread pitch and diameter all the way at the base, so you can repair those threads all the way down. So that is going to be the main difference between those. And then as far as the taps, or I mean dies, this is going to be your standard tap that you find in a tap and die set. And then the dies in the thread repair are going to be a little bit more, or a little bit different design. And that is because these are made for restoring threads, not creating them. So in order to use some of these, let's say this nut here, or you had a blind hole with some messed up threads, you would just go ahead and find your corresponding tap and you would thread it in. And just like any tap and die, you would thread it in a couple turns, back it out half a turn, thread it in a little bit more, remove it, and that's just to kind of clear out any of those threads or edges that were removed in the thread repair process, and just clean up those threads. So just like a tap and die, but for repair. And then as far as fasteners or threaded rods or anything like that, you would find your corresponding die and you would go ahead and thread it on the exact same way. And if you needed to, you would reverse and continue, and then you could take it off, take your fastener, your nut that you're going to use, and actually thread it on to make sure that everything is good before reassembling. And if you need to further repair, then you just continue to run the tap or die on the messed up threads, and it clears it all up. So it's a really nice set to have, especially if you come across yourself doing a lot of thread repairs or anything like that. So it's nice that it includes a wide variety. Obviously I have some missing, but it does come with a wide variety of taps and dies, which is really nice. So like I said, this is going to run roughly $140 brand new from Matco, and roughly $70 to $110 from other brands. So keep that in mind. It's a really useful kit, really easy to use, and can make your bad day a little bit better by having one of these kits. So if you guys have any questions on this, please drop it down in the comments. I'm always happy to reply to you guys. Other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts, or if you've used one of these, or you just use a tap and die. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. See you guys next time.